I feel a chemistry.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TijuanaSkky and I'm back with another video. But before I get into this video, I want to say happy new year. Happy 2022. Can you guys actually believe it? It's 2022. Like I remember when it was just 2010. Like, trust me you guys, time is flying. We're getting older by the day, by the minute, but I hope that you enjoy this year and achieve all that it is that you set out to achieve. Now, in this video, I'll be installing a kinky curly wig from Original Hair Queen. This wig is so beautiful, very beginner friendly, and I won't be talking through this install. I'll just allow you guys to watch me install this wig. Now, one more thing before I go, you guys, link to the wig will be in the description bar below. And remember, if it is that you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. It really helps me a lot. And just remember to be beautiful. Bye.
you see me a clean.